We all have dreams, aspirations, and goals that we want to achieve. But how do we turn those dreams into reality? It's not always easy, but with the right mindset and approach, it is possible. First, you must have a clear and specific vision of what you want to achieve. This is essential for setting realistic goals and creating a plan to achieve them. Once you have a clear vision, you can then set specific, measurable, and achievable goals that will help you get there. Next, you must be willing to take action. Dreams without action are just that, dreams. It is essential to take the necessary steps to bring your vision to reality. This might mean putting in long hours, taking risks, or even failing along the way. Remember, failure is not the opposite of success, it's just a part of the journey. Another key to making your dreams a reality is to surround yourself with the right people. This includes friends, family, and mentors who support and encourage you on your journey. Seek out individuals who have already achieved what you're striving for and learn from them. You must have patience and perseverance. Making your dreams come true is not a one-time event, but rather a journey that requires time and effort. Be patient and don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Keep working towards your goals and don't give up. Another important aspect of turning your dreams into reality is to have a positive attitude. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Don't let doubt or fear hold you back. Instead, embrace challenges and use them as opportunities to grow and learn. It's also important to set a deadline for your goals. This helps to create a sense of urgency and motivates you to take action. Prioritize your goals and break them down into smaller, manageable tasks. This makes it easier to track your progress and stay on track. In addition to setting goals, it's important to have a plan in place to achieve them. This means creating a detailed roadmap of how you will reach your destination. It's also essential to have a support system in place to help you stay on track. This can include a coach, mentor, or accountability partner. Another key to making your dreams a reality is to stay focused. Eliminate distractions and stay focused on the task at hand. This means setting boundaries and saying no to things that don't align with your goals. It also means avoiding procrastination and taking consistent, focused action towards your goals. Also, it's important to celebrate your successes along the way. Recognize and acknowledge your accomplishments, no matter how small they may be. This helps to keep you motivated and reinforces that you're on the right path. Another important step in making your dreams a reality is to take calculated risks. Sometimes, in order to achieve something great, we have to step out of our comfort zone and take a leap of faith. This doesn't mean being reckless, but rather being mindful of the risks and making informed decisions. One way to mitigate risk is by doing your research and gathering as much information as possible before making a decision. This will help you to be more confident in your choices and minimize the potential for failure. Another way to take calculated risks is by creating a backup plan. This means having a plan B in case things don't go as planned. This means being open to feedback and being willing to make changes when necessary. Self-reflection and self-awareness also play a crucial role in making your dreams a reality. It's important to regularly reflect on your progress and identify areas where you need improvement. This will help you to stay on track and make necessary adjustments to reach your goals. It's also important to be specific about what actions you will take to achieve your goals, and to hold yourself accountable for completing them. Persistence is the ability to keep going even when things get tough. This means not giving up, even when faced with obstacles or setbacks. It's important to be open to learning and self-improvement. This means being open to learning new skills, gaining knowledge, and seeking out feedback. It also means being willing to adapt and make changes to your approach when needed. Another important step in turning your dreams into reality is to have a clear understanding of your strengths and weaknesses. Knowing your strengths allows you to leverage them to achieve your goals, while being aware of your weaknesses allows you to address and improve upon them. It's also important to be consistent in your efforts. Consistency is key in achieving your goals. It's important to make progress on a regular basis, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly. It's also important to stay organized and manage your time effectively. Having a clear plan and staying organized allows you to prioritize your goals and make the most of your time. It also helps you stay focused and avoid procrastination. Another key to making your dreams a reality is to stay motivated. Motivation can come from a variety of sources, such as inspiration, a sense of purpose, or the desire for personal growth. It's important to find what motivates you and use it to drive your efforts towards achieving your goals. Also, it's important to remember that failure is a part of the process. Failure is not the opposite of success, but rather a necessary step along the way. Failure is an opportunity to learn, grow and improve. It's important to embrace it, learn from it and use it as a stepping stone to achieve your goals. Another important factor in turning your dreams into reality is to have a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work and effort. It means being open to learning and taking on new challenges. Adopting a growth mindset helps to foster resilience, motivation, and a positive attitude towards failure. It's also important to be proactive in your efforts. Being proactive means taking initiative and being responsible for your actions. It means being in control of your life and making things happen, rather than waiting for opportunities to come to you. A proactive approach helps you to stay motivated, overcome obstacles, and achieve your goals. Another way to make your dreams a reality is to set yourself up for success. This means creating a conducive environment and surrounding yourself with the right resources. It means having the necessary tools, equipment, and support to achieve your goals. It also means creating a support system of people who can help you along the way. Also, it's important to stay accountable for your actions. Accountability means being responsible for your actions and taking ownership of your progress. It means being honest with yourself about your progress, and taking the necessary steps to get back on track when you fall short. It also means being accountable to others, such as a coach, mentor, or accountability partner. Another important factor in turning your dreams into reality is to have a clear understanding of the steps required to achieve your goal. This means breaking down your goal into smaller, actionable steps that can be easily accomplished. This will help you stay focused and motivated, and will also make it easier to track your progress. It's also important to be mindful of the resources that you will need to achieve your goal. This includes things like money, time, and support. Having a clear understanding of the resources required will help you to plan and budget accordingly, and will also help you to identify any potential roadblocks that might arise. Another key to making your dreams a reality is to have a support system in place. A support system includes people who can offer you encouragement, advice, and help when needed. This can include friends, family, mentors, and coaches. Surrounding yourself with supportive people will help you stay motivated and on track. It's also important to be realistic about the time required to achieve your goal. This means setting realistic deadlines and being honest with yourself about how much time and effort will be required to achieve your goal. Being realistic will help you to stay focused, and will also help you to avoid disappointment and frustration. Also, it's important to have a plan in place for when things don't go as planned. This means having a backup plan, and being prepared for the worst-case scenario. It's important to be flexible and open to change, and to be able to adapt when things don't go as expected. Another important aspect of turning your dreams into reality is to have a clear understanding of the obstacles and challenges that may arise. This means identifying potential roadblocks and developing a plan to overcome them. By being aware of potential challenges, you can be better prepared to face them, and can also make adjustments to your plan as needed. It's also important to be mindful of your own limitations and work within your means. This means being realistic about your own abilities and limitations, and setting goals that are within your reach. By being honest with yourself about your own limitations, you can set achievable goals that are challenging, but also attainable. Another important step in making your dreams a reality is to have a sense of discipline and self-control. This means being able to stick to your plan, even when things get difficult. It also means being able to resist distractions and temptations that might take you off track. By having discipline and self-control, you can stay focused and motivated, and achieve your goals. It's also important to stay positive and maintain a hopeful attitude. A positive attitude can help you to stay motivated and overcome obstacles. Lastly, it's important to have a sense of gratitude and appreciation for the journey. Achieving your goals is not just about the destination, but also about the person you become along the way. It's important to appreciate the progress you've made and to be grateful for the lessons and experiences that have helped you to grow. In conclusion, turning your dreams into reality is a process that requires a combination of different factors, such as a clear and specific vision, specific and measurable goals, a positive attitude, a plan, a support system, focus, consistency, calculated risks, flexibility, adaptability, self-reflection, a growth mindset, proactivity, setting yourself up for success, and being accountable for your actions. It also requires an understanding of the steps required, the resources required, realistic time frame, and a plan for when things don't go as planned, a clear understanding of obstacles and challenges, a realistic understanding of your own limitations, discipline and self-control, a positive attitude, and a sense of gratitude and appreciation for the journey. Remember, achieving your dreams is not about arriving at a destination, but rather about the journey and the person you become along the way. It's important to stay focused, stay motivated, and stay consistent in your efforts. It's also important to be open to learning and self-improvement, and to be willing to make adjustments when necessary. It's also important to keep in mind that the road to success is rarely a straight line, and that there will be obstacles and challenges along the way. However, with hard work, determination, and the right mindset, you can overcome these obstacles and achieve your goals. It's also important to celebrate your successes along the way. Recognize and acknowledge your accomplishments, no matter how small they may be. This helps to keep you motivated and reinforces that you're on the right path. In summary, turning your dreams into reality is possible with the right mindset, approach, and the willingness to work hard and never give up. Believe in yourself, and have the courage to chase your dreams. With hard work, dedication, and perseverance, you can make your dreams a reality.